Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you two backgrounds that you're going to want to know how to make. First, you're going to want a plain canvas with white and black. First, you're going to go to filter, and then you're going to come over to render, and then click clouds. Then you're going to come to filter, go to blur, and go to Gaussian blur. I'll put it at 10 pixels. And then I'm going to come over to image, adjustments, and then I'm going to posterize it, put that at 4. And then I'm going to go to filter, stylize, and hit find edges. And there you guys have it. You have this dope, cool looking background. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make that second background. First, you're going to want to get a canvas, and then you're going to want to go to the text tool, make sure the text is black, and get just a general, any type of font really, just general, just type in banner. And then you're going to Control A, and you're going to come over here and just make it pretty big. And you're going to Control T and rotate it, just like that. You can make it a little smaller, so kind of try to fit all the words in. That should be good enough. Then what you're going to want to do is hold Alt, drag it over, and this will make a copy. And then just keep doing that. Alt, drag over, Alt, drag over, drag over. Bring it a little closer together. And what you're going to want to do is come down here and then click the top one, hold shift and click the bottom one. That'll select all of them, hit Control G, and then hit Control E, and that'll group it and then merge it. Now what you're going to want to do is first you're going to want to right click it and hit Convert to Smart Object. Then you want to come to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And you're going to want to make it about, we'll do about 5 pixels. And what you're going to want to do next is come to Filter again and click Liquify. And all you have to do is kind of swirl it around, just kind of play with it, see what you like, see what you don't like, and press OK. And then you'll have this. And then what you can do to change the color is you can go to Adjustments, and then Gradient Map. And then you can just kind of play around with the color. So you want red, you can have red, maybe you want red and blue, you can get red and blue. You kind of just play around with it. You can reverse it, and yeah, that's just really how you change the color and make this cool looking background. And that's how you make two cool looking backgrounds. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe so I know you guys are liking the content. I'll keep pushing it out, and I appreciate all the support. See you guys in the next video.